There are a lot of reasons to head to the cinema this week. The horror film The Black Phone starring Ethan Hawke, the musical epic Elvis from director Baz Luhrmann, and the science fiction horror Crimes of the Future directed by David Cronenberg. Staying home isn't a bad idea either, with titles that you shouldn't miss, such as the third season of The Umbrella Academy and the highly anticipated Korean version of Money Heist. Here are some of the best movies and TV shows to watch in the UAE, Saudi Arabia and the rest of the GCC this weekend. Click on the link below to see our full list across all streaming services. Doctor Strange director Scott Derrickson returns to his horror roots in The Black Phone. In the film, Ethan Hawke plays a serial killer that kidnaps a young boy named Finney Shaw. Held captive inside a room with a disconnected phone, he realises that he can talk to the killer's previous victims through it, who all want to help him escape his captor. The Black Phone is showing in UAE and Saudi Arabia cinemas on June 23rd. Baz Luhrmann returns with the musical epic Elvis. Based on the life of Elvis Presley, the film chronicles the crazy and scandalous career of the famed rock and roll star. Austin Butler plays the iconic singer, and Tom Hanks plays his manager, Colonel Tom Parker. Elvis is showing in UAE and Saudi Arabia cinemas on June 23rd. After preventing 1963's doomsday, everyone from the Umbrella Academy returns home and tries to live and move on with their lives. But that happiness is short-lived, as a new school, Sparrow Academy, faces off with Umbrella that makes them rethink their choices while navigating new challenges and surprises. Season 3 streams on Netflix on June 22nd. Rowan Atkinson plays Trevor, a bumbling father who gets a new job as a house-sitter. On his first day at work, he gets assigned to a mansion filled with valuables. Comedic chaos ensues as Trevor tries to catch it, putting all the priceless artworks and classic cars at risk. Man vs. Bee streams on Netflix June 24th. Set in a fictional joint economic area, Money Heist Korea is a remake of the popular series that pits the same characters in a new setting with a Haho-inspired mask. Yoo Ji-tae will play the professor, the brains behind this heist. Joining him is Park Hae-soo from Squid Game. Part 1 is streaming on Netflix on June 24th. We hope you enjoyed this week's roundup of what to watch from Tech Radar Middle East. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell to be notified of all our new videos.